If you need a math tutor or a homeschool teacher, stick around till the end of the video. All right, everybody. Depending on your information silo, you may have come across the meme that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. I assure you that's not true. But under certain conditions, 2 plus 2 can equal either 10 or 11. Let me show you what I mean. Under ordinary conditions, when we're counting, when we're doing addition and subtraction, we're using a number line. Starting from 0, if we make 2 jumps of length 2, we end up at 4. But there's nothing in the rules that says we have to use a number line. This is a binary number circle. In this universe of numbers, 0 and 1 are the only two numbers that exist. So the statement 2 plus 2 here has no meaning because on this number circle, within this universe of numbers, the number 2 does not exist. It's in our trinary number circle where things start to get interesting. Here the number 2 does exist. So we can do 2 plus 2 on this number circle. Let's see what we get. Starting from 0, we add 2, and then we add 2 again, landing on 1. Since we landed on the number 1, you might be inclined to think that 2 plus 2 equals 1, but we have to account for the fact that we made one complete trip around the circle. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 11. One complete trip around the circle, and 1 for where we ended when our addition was finished. Now let's look at a number circle with 4 digits. 0, 1, 2, and 3. What do we get when we add 2 plus 2 here? Starting from 0, jump to 2, and then jump 2 again to end up back at 0 where you started. So what did we do? We made one complete trip around the circle. Where did we end up? 0. So under these conditions, 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. It's important to point out that if I unroll our number circles, as I've done here, 0, 1, 2, 10, 11, 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, they line up exactly the way you would expect them to with the traditional number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we haven't really done anything in terms of changing the value of 2 plus 2. What we've done is, depending on the way we choose to define our number system, is change the representation of 2 plus 2. Like any system of thought worthy of attention and praise, mathematics is built on rules and definitions. In order to properly engage with a subject, you've got to be forthright about what your rules and your definitions are. Consistency and clarity are the order of the day. There is no case where 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. And if somebody tries to convince you that it is, insist that they get crystal clear about what definitions they're using and what rules they're following. The 2 plus 2 equals 5 meme is either a massive troll, in which case it's kind of funny, or, more worryingly, it is what happened when social justice makes its way to the mathematics classroom. If our feel-good ideas about what makes the world a better place gets us to believe things that aren't actually true, we're in for a world of trouble. As educational and behavioral standards continue to erode away in our public schools, more and more parents are looking for something different. If you're in need of a private tutor or a homeschool teacher, someone that can give individualized and personalized education to your children or a small group of children from your neighborhood, don't hesitate to reach out. The first session with me is always free because you and I both need to know that I'm the right person to teach your children. Thanks for watching the video and have a great week.